bags in sea theme, of course. This is, oh, these are magnets for, I think, the other piece that I ordered. So this is the Rover. I have been looking for a bento box for my teenager. We have a lot of texture sensitivities in our house, and we don't like our food to touch. And it's also tricky because he doesn't have a lot of room in his backpack. So this is really thin, and it's securely fastened. But what I really like about the design, oh wow, okay. So we've got even little dishes within it. I'm not sure I knew that was gonna happen, which is awesome. A sauce packet. But within it, you can see that like all of the compartments fully close and the food is not gonna interact with each other. So I feel like I could have something that's more like wet over here, that I'm not going to be afraid that if I have like bread or cookies over here that it's going to interact with it and make it soggy. So that is the Rover. I'm actually really excited about that. I purchased 2 of them so that I could, well, let me make sure that's true. I might have purchased 3. No, I purchased 2 of them so that I would always have one that was clean. So I could put it in the dishwasher, get it sanitized, and he'd have one ready for the next day. I also purchased these cold kits. What I love about these is look how slim they are. This is removable to put it in the freezer. And I also ordered him this sleeve. So I'm not sure if he'll use this or not, or if he'll just want to put that in his backpack the way that it is. But this is a way to insulate the and keep cool or keep warm the bento box. I'm not using a tripod, so this is not working so well for me. Let's get it unzipped for you. Okay, so this is the sleeve for the bento box, and what's cool is this pack slides right in here. It has its own dedicated space. There's also a space to put silverware or reusable straws so that he doesn't have to use something reusable. Something that's not reusable. So that can be right there for him as well, and they're not floating around in a different place. So I love that. I also love the colors of this. These are 2 of his favorite colors. So I was really excited about getting this. So, oh yeah, I got another cold pack, and then what's this? Oh yeah, I totally forgot about this. This is another wrap for the box. So if he decides the other one is too clunky, the insulated one, this is like a Japanese style wrap that ties in the middle, that's reusable. So just to keep everything together. So let me pull this out again. Okay. Stick it in here. Again, I should have put this on a tripod. I didn't. I hate having single serve containers. So I feel like this is going to completely eliminate this from our life, because the only time that would ever happen, look at that, you just tie it, and I would tie it again, of course, but and then it's like in this nice little package. But I feel like this is going to completely eliminate those from our lunch routine altogether, because I was still having to do that to keep things separate for certain things, and I feel like with these bento boxes, that is the thing of the past for us. So I'm excited about figuring out how they work in the dishwasher. I wasn't able to see if this comes apart in the dishwasher, so I'm going to be exploring that. Let me see here. Open this up again. So yeah, I think the only thing I'm concerned about is it doesn't look like the hinges come apart to put it in the dishwasher, but I feel like I probably have room to put it in like this. Or I might have to hand wash it, which is better for the environment anyway, but I like the sterilization feature of the dishwasher. So we'll see how that works out. But other than that, I am super excited about this, and I can't wait to start putting our magnets on. So the way that the magnets go is they actually can just like be used directly on the metal lunchbox. Like, see, it's already sticking there. I haven't taken them out yet. And then let's see what this little thing of magnets is. I don't remember this one, but I think it was just a different design for the other box. Let me see what I got here. Oh yes, I got some, of course, earth-friendly magnets. But on the site, for Planet Box, these come free when you order the bento box. So that was pretty awesome. And for younger kids, you can even put their name on it. I mean, honestly, we'll probably do that for him as well. But yeah, lots of different cute stickers that you can decorate both sides with. And so yeah, we're excited to use it, and I'm excited to get his review of it after he uses it a couple of times. So cool. Thanks, Planet Box. So I actually got 2 different kinds of these Planet Boxes. I forgot that I did that when I ordered it, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the other one. This one has different size compartments than the other one. So I was thinking like for more like substantial meals and not like just individual bento pieces, this one might be better. It's it looks like it's a little bit taller than the other one, but you can see the containers are a lot bigger. I'm actually thinking about just carrying this with me when I go to restaurants and putting my leftovers in it and bringing it home, and it being like, we're not gonna have to use any of the restaurant materials, which are usually styrofoam, which is horrible for the environment. So yeah, I'm excited about this, and it's got another container here, and the magnets for this one are a little bit different. These are the ones that I was saying are really cute, like ocean design. But see how cute they are when you put them on? I've put the ones on the other one as well, but this is this version, and then this is the other version with the magnets. So yeah, I think I'm gonna, if these are as great as I think they are right now, I'm probably gonna order some extras to keep with us when we go to restaurants, so that we can just use our reusable containers to bring home our leftovers. So again, I really, so far, am impressed with this company, and I'm excited to try out the products.